Cloud pads. It's something that I have not used for a very, very long time. Over the past 2 to 3 years, I've only pretty much played games exclusively on glass pads, mainly because I like the speed, but also because of the maintenance that cloud pads require. But in a more recent review, I actually tried out a glass pad by Tenta-X, and I was very impressed by the quality and the way the pad was made. So I got curious and I wanted to try out one of their cloud pads. So I decided to pick up their fastest cloud pad, the Jinsoku by Tenta-X. So in today's video, we're gonna have a look at what is in the packaging, what my experience has been like. Unfortunately, this is not gonna be a very technical review as I am not able to provide that for you guys as I've not been gaming on cloud pads. But if you are someone like me who's been playing on glass pads a lot and you're looking to maybe try out some cloud pads or maybe transition back to cloud pads, then hopefully my experience will give you some more insight as to what to expect and how it's been like. So let's dive into it. All right, so first up, we have the packaging for this mouse pad. It is a flat packaging, and you also have a Velcro strap to open it up like this. So very nice packaging. Feels very premium, and you can also keep this in case you want to store it back into the packaging. Now, what else comes in the packaging? We have a few extra accessories over here. So we have some stickers over here, a white, a black, and then we also have this Tenta-X fancy card over here. And then we also have some dot skates, which I actually really appreciate them including that because usually that is not something that is included into cloud pads. So that is very, very nice. Now, the cloud pad that I have over here is the purple version, and this version is actually really, really gorgeous, although I don't think it is a good recommendation to make, especially if you have cats like me, because my cats definitely already stained this within the first day. So I do recommend going with the black version, as this one you will see stains on it pretty easily. Now, the version that I have over here is the large version, which is 490 by 420, and that is more than enough for me. I don't know if you really need the larger version, but yeah, anyway, that is up to you. So there is two different sizes. You choose from those. Now, up next, I want to talk a little bit about the actual texture and the surface of this pad, because this thing is incredibly fast. I mean, I actually made a tweet about this because I was really that impressed on how fast this is for a cloud pad. I was not expecting a cloud pad to be that fast, especially coming from one of the fastest glass pads that I've tried so far, like the Tekusai glass pads, the Zane and the Phantom. But I was really, really impressed with the speed of this thing. Even though it is very, very fast, once you do press in a little bit with your mouse, you can actually slow down and you actually can feel that control. So that is something that, obviously if you're a glass pad user, is not really there, but with this cloud pad it is incredibly nice to have. And this was kind of like a good reminder as to why people love playing on cloud pads so much, and something that I've been missing out on for the past 2 years really. This is not something that I value that much. I am someone who has 2 cats, and I do clean my desk a lot, so I do like the tidiness of a glass pad. So am I gonna actually switch over from glass to cloud? I don't know, but I definitely am second guessing whether or not I should be switching back to cloud, because my performance in games has been actually better and my accuracy has gone up depending on which games that I'm playing. Something else I really want to mention over here is the stitching on this pad. The stitching is very, very high quality. I mean, this is under the surface stitching, so the stitches are not noticeable on the top, but you can actually see them on the bottom over here, which is very, very sleek. You can notice the edge a little bit because, I mean, yeah, it's like a cloth pad onto my desk, so of course I'm gonna feel the difference between the cloth pad and the desk, but it's not something that bothers me at all. I usually game like this, so I don't notice the edge moving that much anyway, so it's absolutely fine. Now, the underside of this pad is something that is really, really interesting, because I was not expecting this to be as grippy as it is. I mean, this is more grippy than the glass pad that I have by Tenta-X for some reason. You actually have to lift this up and actually you guys can see it's pretty much it doesn't move unless you actually lift it up all the way. So that really does keep your mouse pad in place, which is something that I really, really like, because I've definitely had that in the past with other mouse pads where sometimes it moves around a little bit. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is a very high quality cloth pad. I am definitely not disappointed in my purchase, and especially for the price, guys, this is an absolute steal, especially since you get accessories with this. You even get skates with this, and these are very fast skates to go along with the speed of the surface as well. So honestly, guys, I know I don't have anything else to compare it to when it comes down to other cloud pads, but I would be impressed if there's actually any other cloud pad out there that is faster than this, because it feels fast, the control is nice, and this is definitely something that is going to stay into my rotation depending on, of course, which games that I'm playing. But if you are like me and you like that speedy kind of like feeling on your mouse, on your skates, and also if you are playing very heavy like tracking games such as Warzone, Apex, whatever it is you guys are playing, then this is a really good pickup, honestly. Like, you will be impressed. I'm very curious to see how this pad is gonna hold up over time. Now, I will actually put a comment in about 5 to 6 months time. I will put a reminder in my calendar to update you guys on the speed of the cloud pad, how much it has actually worn off. But if I'm being honest with you guys, that is just the nature of cloud pads in general, where they do wear off over time. I'm not entirely sure how fast that is now, or how slow that is the case now, because as I said before, I've not really tried that much different cloud pads in the past couple of years. But it is really, really interesting to see how cloud pads have evolved over the past couple of years, and what is possible with different types of texture, and how different it can actually feel. So that definitely makes me curious to try out some more cloud pads. So yeah, definitely not disappointed in this cloud pad. Can definitely recommend if you are switching from a glass pad and you want to try out something cloud pad but you don't want to lose too much speed, then this might be a really good pickup. Anyway, that was my experience with the Jinsoku by Tenta-X. The only thing that I'm hoping for is that my cats are not going to ruin this pad, but I kind of have my doubts about it. But anyway, that is it for today's kind of like review impressions of this Tenta-X Jinsoku. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more reviews or more experiences with different products, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.